area. So I actually just get pulled over right now. All right, here we go. Hey there, officer. Hey, son. You know you're riding on this road illegally? I'm afraid I didn't, man. Well, let me tell you something. You ever heard of Dirt Legal?
Hey guys, we want to give a big shout out to Dirt Legal for sponsoring this video. Alright guys, let's be honest. With the sport getting more and more popular each day, we find ourselves riding on the road quite a bit actually. Whether it's going to the trail system or just plain nowadays, treating it like a car and riding on the road. Alright guys, that's why it's important to visit a site like Dirt Legal and figure out how to get legal. Dirt Legal is a site where you can register your machine, get them titled. Visiting Dirt Legal eliminates the need to go to the DMV. They also are there to tell you what else you need to be legal. They also offer vehicle registration renewal, document replacements, and temporary license. I'll do it for this video with Dirt Legal. Make sure you check them out. Links down below. And we'll see you in the next one.